Elon Musk just laid out the ultimate wealth building playbook. Here's the quote: "If you want to build wealth in the next decade, start a business that leverages AI to solve hard problems. That's where the big wins are." This isn't just a casual suggestion from Elon. It's a roadmap to thriving in an AI-driven world. Starting a digital business that uses AI to tackle real challenges is the fastest path to build massive wealth, while traditional jobs leave you vulnerable to obsolescence. So let's unpack why digital business owners are poised to dominate and how you can jump in with practical steps to make it happen for yourself. So Musk's point is crystal clear. AI is the key to unlocking unprecedented wealth. It's solving complex problems, optimizing logistics, personalizing healthcare, streamlining marketing, and generating billions for those who wield it correctly. The big wins he's talking about go to entrepreneurs who use AI to address pain points, and digital businesses are the perfect vehicle for that. Unlike traditional jobs where you're stuck in a rigid role, a physical business with high overheads, digital ventures are agile, scalable, and built to integrate AI seamlessly. So if you're not starting one today, you're missing the boat entirely. So why do digital business owners have that edge? Online businesses let you harness AI to solve problems and scale fast. AI can automate tasks, analyze data, and enhance customer experiences, turning a small hustle into a wealth-making machine. Meanwhile, traditional employees face a grim reality. AI will be automating 30% of jobs by 2030, per a recent study, from data entry to creative tasks. So if you're in a job, you're at risk of layoffs or stagnant wages with no control over the outcome. But digital business owners, on the other hand, dictate their future using AI to stay ahead. Here's how AI supercharges a digital business. First up, automation. Tools like ChatGPT can generate blog posts, product descriptions, or email campaigns in minutes, saving you hours. Personalization. For example, Shopify's AI recommends products tailored to customers, boosting sales by an apparent 10 to 30%. Next up, analytics. Platforms like HubSpot use AI to predict trends, letting you target the right audience with precision. Next up, creativity. You can use AI tools like Midjourney to create stunning visuals for your brand, no designer required. These tools aren't just nice to haves, they're your competitive advantage. A digital business using AI can reach global markets, cut costs, and grow exponentially, while competitors who ignore it fall behind. Now, let's get practical for a second. You don't need a fortune or a PhD to get started. Here's how to launch your own AI-powered digital business. First up, pick a problem. Identify a niche with a clear need. Find something that's rooted in human nature that AI can solve better, faster, or cheaper. Next up, use no-code tools to build out a simple, minimum viable product. Then launch with a free basic version. Listen to your users and use analytics to guide your product development. Next up, move users up the value ladder with a premium pricing option. Then scale with ads and content marketing powered by AI. And finally, and most importantly, join thenewrich.com, where you can fast track your success and meet other like-minded entrepreneurs. By 2030, AI is expected to add a whopping 15 trillion to the global economy. Digital business owners who solve problems with AI will claim the biggest slice of this huge pie. Musk's quote is your call to action. The big wins are in AI-powered digital businesses. Don't just stay stuck in a job hoping that it survives this AI automation. Start your online venture, use AI to solve real problems, and build wealth that lasts. The next decade belongs to those who act now and utilize AI. If this sparked a plan for you, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with what digital business you're ready to launch. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.